CJRB knife made with your RPM 9 steel. The outside is also metal in construction. It's solid, and you have this button lock. I like the thumb hole, and it's super smooth mechanism. Drops right in, flicks right out. One of my most fidgety knives. It's super smooth, lightweight. And here you could see for sizing from tip to tip here on the blade, you have about 3 inches, just under 3 inches. I think it's 275. The full length goes about 7.5 inches. Deep carry pocket clip, all metal construction. The scales are substantial. They feel nice in your hand. Good grip. Nice jimping up top. You have this thumb hole. I wouldn't really use this finger grip here just because I feel like it gets too close to the point. But here's a closer look. This blade shape is super unique and usable. Nice for opening packages, making cuts, slices, and it comes super sharp right out of the box. In this price category of knives, I don't know what can really compete with it, especially with the all metal construction.